Hello guys, good day. Are smoothies really beneficial for dieters? Smoothies help dieters maintain hydration, provide more fiber, protein than most meals, and offer plenty of natural fructose, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. So here are 4 easy healthy breakfast smoothie recipes for weight loss, that will help you start your morning with a burst of energy and keep feeling good all day long and can be made in minutes. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe, like and share. Now, let us start. 1. The ultimate green smoothie. Green smoothies are packed with rejuvenating chlorophyll and antioxidants that kick the immune system into high gear. This one delivers several servings of dark green veggies along with sweet-tasting fruits to please the palate. It also contains just enough healthy fat to help your body absorb and use the smoothie's many vitamins. What you'll need: 4 leaves of kale, destemmed 4 leaves of chard, destemmed 1/2 bunch of parsley, 1 large aloe vera leaf, 1/2 bunch of dandelion greens, 3 pears, 1 ripe banana peeled, 1 avocado peeled, 3 cups of water. Remove stems from kale and chard leaves. Peel banana and avocado. Remove seed from avocado. Place ingredients in blender. Add 2½ cups water. Blend for approximately 2 minutes, or until completely smooth. Drink and enjoy. Guys, if you're serious in losing weight, please remember to download your free copy of Blueprint of How to Lose 5 kilograms in 1 week, find the link in the description below this video. 2. The Vitamin C Monster Smoothie. This yummy recipe is a favorite for cold and flu season. It's packed with vitamin C to help your body fight off illnesses. The antioxidants also help rid your body of free radicals that can lead to disease. What you'll need: 1 package fresh strawberries, leaves removed, 2 ripe bananas, peeled and sliced 1 orange, peeled 1 cup blueberries, 1 kiwi, peeled and sliced 1 cup cantaloupe, cubed 2 ice cubes, crushed. Directions: peel all fruits and slice as directed. Place all ingredients in blender, and blend on high power for 2 minutes, or until completely smooth and frothy. Add a little honey for more sweetness, if desired. Serve or drink immediately. 3. The Quick Morning Hunger Buster Smoothie. This is an easy recipe that can be made in minutes, but it will satisfy you for hours to come. It serves up a whopping 6 grams of protein and 7 grams of fiber per cup. Silken tofu adds a smooth texture and plenty of hunger-fighting protein, while the fiber from the apples and berries will keep your digestive system in top form. The yogurt adds more protein, especially if you choose the Greek style, plus a good amount of calcium. What you'll need: 1 cup frozen mixed berries, 1/2 banana, 2 sweet apples, cored and sliced 1/2 cup silken tofu, 1 cup low-fat vanilla yogurt. Directions: combine berries, banana, apples, yogurt and tofu in blender. Blend on high speed for 2 minutes or until smooth. This smoothie can be placed in a covered container and stored in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. 4. Build your own smoothie. You can create a custom smoothie recipe that perfectly suits your taste. Here's how. Hunger-busting smoothies can be created by mixing a few of your favorite fruits with a protein source, such as yogurt or silken tofu. Experiment until you find the mix that works best for you. Green smoothies can be made by combining your favorite dark leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale or arugula, with your favorite sweet-tasting fruits, bananas, berries, pears or apples. For added hydration, pick a fruit or vegetable with high water content such as cucumber or melon. To boost the healthy snacks and turn your smoothie into a filling meal, add all natural nut butter, chia seeds or ground flax. Remember, you can add powdered supplements to any smoothie recipe for an extra dose of protein or fiber. Finally, remember to download your free copy of Blueprint of How to Lose 5 kilograms in 1 week, find the link in the description below this video. Thanks.